going to Cherry Hill.
On Adventure Park, whatever it's called.
We just look at, we get a brochure. Here is Cherry Hill. The slide, RJ. You like that slide, RJ?
Want to go there?
Not now, we're
Just looking.
See,
Oh, many people there.
everybody's in the bathing suit.
Look at that there.
Look at everyone getting ready.
Yeah. Some people, they go home. There he is. Cherry Hill.
Can't see them, huh?
Or if you slide on it, you bring that mat and then they go back again there.
Yep.
See? So that you not bruise your butt. It's so hot there.
The people getting ready to slide down now.
Yeah, there he is. Want to drive now?
No.
RJ?
No.
Want to drive, RJ? Many people there too.
I'm
RJ.
gonna go that way.
There is RJ. 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 There's the camper area there. Yes, is this here, RJ? Pie pantry. 9 p.m. Friday and Saturday night, 9 p.m. Sitting begins in 8:30. Banquet. Wow, up there. See. That RJ. Statue of Liberty. Yep.
Scary what?
Statue of Liberty, RJ, there. Statue of Liberty. There is.
There's a campsite and then there's
Campsite here.
Bring the trailers. RVs.
You sleep there.
Yeah. I got a week pass.
At the
Yeah, let me hold it. I'll just...
campsite here. There is the highway there. Store office. Here's the map. Here is the map here. Cherry Hill. Office. Register here.
The price is right here. It's 22 colors.
Camping rate 44. Here. That RJ? RJ? Nice RJ. That you like RJ compared to the slide.
The rotor end is here and also Jessica. They've been waiting for us.
Friday, Saturday night, they have concerts.
Here? Here he is.
Pickup truck. The guy was parking.
Okay.